Welcome to page 84. Today we will practice rendering big value shapes. Either freehand or with a ruler, lightly draw a rectangle that is the same size as the drawing on the left. Make sure both drawings are aligned. Follow along as the artist finds the front edge of the table that divides the rectangle. Lightly note the height and width of the teapot and eggs, making sure they're placed correctly within the frame of your drawing. Find the key angles that create the outline of your subject. Lightly note the height and width of your teapot and eggs, making sure they're placed correctly within the frame of your drawing. Find the key angles that create the outline of your subject. It's important to keep your lines straight even for rounded forms because it gives you an opportunity to work broadly before locking in. Focus on the placement of your central objects before moving to peripheral elements, such as the horizon line of the table, the details of the lid and handle. You can include shadow shapes early in the drawing because they're considered an important part of the structure. After you have a simple block in, it's time to add tone. To start working in value, gradually add light washes of tone by not putting pressure on your pencil as you're working. Let the pencil make marks under its own weight. As you're working, flick your eyes from your drawing on the right to the original on the left to see if any adjustments need to be made to the proportion or shape. Place the background tone and connect it to the teapot. Some areas will become entirely lost as a tone from one area bleeds into an adjacent one. It's important to notice subtle areas of lost outlines and moments where the edges remain sharp. As you feel more confident that your drawing is correct, you can begin to get gradually darker, building up wash upon wash. You can even switch to a softer pencil if you need to. The rich tone is created by getting darker over time rather than all at once. To finish your value mapping exercise, darken a few edges to make them come forward. Value mapping is concerned with the placement of large, flat value shapes. Creating small drawings like this one that focuses on pattern of values are a great way to experiment with compositions without investing a lot of time. Many artists use these studies as preparatory work for larger paintings. Happy drawing!